Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the coolest, most useful Amazon gadgets that can make your life easier in 2024, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 20 amazing gadgets that are practical, innovative, fun to have. Trust me, some of these will have you saying, "Why didn't I buy this sooner?" Want to grab these gadgets? Check out the links in the description below. So, grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's dive into the list. Vacuum sealer machine. The vacuum sealer machine keeps food fresh for longer by removing air from bags. It's perfect for sealing meats, cheeses, and dry goods. It also prevents freezer burn and spoilage, preserving food's flavour and texture. Many models offer adjustable settings for different foods, including dry, moist, and liquid options. Citrus lemon peeler. A citrus peeler allows for easy peeling of oranges, lemons, and other citrus fruits. It features a sharp blade that cuts through the skin without damaging the fruit. This tool helps to create perfect zest strips, ideal for garnishes or cooking. It's ergonomically designed for comfort and is easy to use. Food mill. A food mill is a kitchen tool used for pureeing and straining foods like fruits and vegetables. It's especially useful for making smooth sauces, soups, and baby food. With interchangeable discs, it provides different texture options for a variety of dishes. It's made of durable stainless steel and is easy to clean. Silicone baking mat. Silicone baking mats offer a non-stick surface for baking cookies, pastries, and more. They can withstand high temperatures and provide even heat distribution for consistent baking results. Reusable and easy to clean, they reduce waste from disposable parchment paper. These mats are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Wine aerator. A wine aerator is used to introduce oxygen to wine, enhancing its flavour by softening tannins and releasing aromas. It is particularly effective for red wines, improving their texture and overall taste. This tool is easy to use, simply attaching to the bottle for effortless pouring. Aerators come in various designs, some with additional features like drip-free pouring. Pie shield. A pie shield protects the edges of your pie crust from overbaking or burning. It is adjustable to fit different pie sizes, ensuring the edges remain golden brown. Made from heat-resistant materials, it allows your pie to bake evenly while preserving the crust's texture. This tool is especially helpful for pies with longer baking times. Meat tenderizer. A meat tenderizer breaks down tough muscle fibres in meats, ensuring they cook more evenly and remain juicy. Available in mallet or needle forms, it softens cuts like steak, chicken, and pork. The mallet style is ideal for larger cuts, while the needle version is more precise. Meat tenderizers are essential for making inexpensive cuts taste more tender. Turkey cutting board. A turkey cutting board is specifically designed for carving large poultry like turkey or chicken. It features deep grooves to catch juices, preventing spills on the countertop. Made from materials like bamboo or plastic, it's durable and easy to clean. Many boards come with handles for added convenience during use. Dough blender. A dough blender is a kitchen tool used to incorporate fat into dry ingredients for flaky pastries. Its stainless steel blades allow for quick cutting of butter or shortening into flour. This tool is especially useful when making scones, biscuits, or pie dough. It has an ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip and is easy to clean. Food scale. A food scale is essential for precise measurements when baking or portioning food. Digital models are the most accurate and offer readings in grams or ounces. It ensures consistency in recipes and helps with portion control. Compact and easy to store. Most models come with tare functions for measuring multiple ingredients. Electric dough maker. An electric dough maker automates the process of kneading and mixing dough, saving time and effort. Ideal for bread, pizza, or pasta, it ensures consistency in texture and reduces the physical effort involved. With different speed settings and attachments, it offers versatility for various recipes. Most models are easy to clean and store. Immersion blender. An immersion blender is a handheld tool designed for blending soups, sauces, and smoothies directly in the pot or bowl. It offers ease of use and minimises cleanup, as there's no need to transfer ingredients to a separate blender. Some models include multiple attachments for chopping or frothing. Immersion blenders are compact, making them easy to store. Gravy boat. A gravy boat is used to serve sauces or gravies during meals. It typically features a handle for easy pouring and a spout to prevent drips. Gravy boats are often made from ceramic, stainless steel or glass and can be matched with dinnerware for formal occasions. They may come with a matching saucer for added convenience. Vegetable spiralizer. A vegetable spiralizer turns vegetables like zucchini, carrots and sweet potatoes into noodles or ribbons, making healthy meals more exciting. It's easy to use and can accommodate various vegetable sizes. Some models come with multiple blades for different cut types, from thin spirals to thicker ribbons. Ideal for low-carb diets or creative garnishes. Digital meat thermometer. A digital meat thermometer ensures your meat is cooked to the perfect temperature, preventing overcooking or undercooking. With quick readings, it's great for checking the doneness of poultry, steaks and roasts. Many models include preset temperatures for various types of meat. Digital thermometers are portable and easy to use, with some models offering backlit screens. Collapsible whisk diet. A collapsible whisk is a space-saving tool designed for mixing and whipping ingredients. Its flexible design allows the whisk to fold down for easy storage, making it ideal for small kitchens or travel. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and ease of cleaning. Perfect for whisking eggs, cream or sauces, it provides efficiency in the kitchen. Can cooler. A can cooler is a handy accessory for keeping beverages cold. Made with insulated materials, it fits around cans to maintain their temperature for longer periods. Often designed with a slim profile, it's portable and convenient for outdoor activities. Some models come with a built-in bottle opener for added functionality. Egg slicer. An egg slicer is a tool designed to evenly slice hard-boiled eggs for salads, sandwiches or garnishes. It features sharp wires that cut the egg into even slices, providing a neat result. Compact and easy to store, it's often made from stainless steel for durability. This tool is ideal for quick meal prep and adds uniformity to egg dishes. Automatic pan stirrer. An automatic pan stirrer is a hands-free tool that stirs ingredients in the pan, freeing up time for other tasks. It's ideal for sauces, soups or dishes that need constant stirring to prevent burning. Some models are rechargeable and offer variable speed settings for different types of cooking. This gadget ensures consistent results with minimal effort. Beef chopper tool. A beef chopper tool is designed to break up ground meat while cooking, ensuring even browning and texture. It works well for tacos, chili and stir fries, preventing clumping. Its durable, heat-resistant material allows for use in hot pans without damage. Some models feature a non-slip handle for added control. Prices usually range from $10 to $20.